Morning students. In this video, we'll learn affirmative and negative. First of all, we'll see what affirmative sentences are. A positive declarative sentence is affirmative. A negative declarative sentence is negative. So we can say assertive or declarative sentence falls under two categories, affirmative and negative. The sentences without no, not, none, these are affirmative sentence, and the sentence with no, not, none, these are negative sentence. See this example, I am happy. This is affirmative मतलब सकारात्मक वाक्य है. I am not unhappy, इसमें not है, यह नकारात्मक वाक्य हुआ, लेकिन दोनों वाक्यों का अर्थ एक जैसा है. Now we'll see how to turn affirmative sentences into negative. This is rule 1. Using not and the opposite word. And one thing that we'll remember, the meaning of both the sentences must be the same. They were dissatisfied. वे असंतुष्ट थे. तो नेगेटिव हुआ दे वेर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, वो संतुष्ट नहीं थे, मतलब वो असंतुष्ट थे. द रोड इज़ क्वाइट नैरो, द आंसर इज द रोड इज़ नॉट वेरी वाइड. शी रिफ्यूज टू लेट हिम गो, द नेगेटिव आंसर इज शी डिड नॉट लेट हिम गो. Now this is rule 2. When we are not getting opposite word, we'll use the chat. To be unable to in affirmative. In negative, instead of these words, we'll take cannot oblique could not as per the tense of the sentence. Fails to, failed to, failed to. Do not, does not, did not. Only, nothing but or no one but. Hardly anything or hardly anyone. Nothing, no one, none. As soon as, no sooner dash than. As well as, not only dash but also. Hardly, no, not, never. With the help of the chat, we'll solve these example. She was unable to answer. वो जवाब देने में असमर्थ थी. She could not answer. वो जवाब नहीं दे पाई. Mintu failed to fathom it. Negative, Mintu did not fathom it. I saw only trees. I saw nothing but trees. I could hardly see anything. I could see nothing. She was happy as well as satisfied. She was not only happy but also satisfied. But in some of the cases you cannot find opposite words or you fail to use the chat. So in these sentences, in special cases, do remember the meaning of the sentence. He did not have parents. Now here from negative sentence we'll turn to affirmative. He did not have parents. उसे माता पिता नहीं थे. तो affirmative हो गया, वह अनाथ था. He was orphan. He did not utter a word. वो कुछ नहीं बोला. Affirmative sentence. He kept quiet. वो शांत था. और he was mum. He had no notion of time. He was unaware of time. So these are very simple things. You need practice. With practice, you will be perfect in negative and affirmative sentence. Wish you all the best and have a nice time. Goodbye.